Welcome to Washington D.C, the nation's capital where history meets luxury. Today I'm excited to share with you experience at Hyatt Regency Capitol Hill. Get ready to indulge in the finer things in life as we explore this stunning hotel. As we step into the room, notice its sleek design and modern amenities that makes this space truly special. The attention to detail is impressive. Now let's take a look at the washroom, where luxury knows no bounds. The walk-in shower is a great place to unwind and rejuvenate. The marble countertops and the premium toiletries create a spa-like experience. From the plush carpets to the elegant furnishings, this spacious room is perfect for relaxing after a long day of exploring the city. From coffee to cocktails, you'll find everything you need to make your stay comfortable and unforgettable. I'm highly satisfied with the amenities and each and everything the room has to offer. The safe, the fridge, the TV, everything is placed perfectly. As I was in Vegas, I wasn't offered with these two complimentary water bottles, which I miss so much. One of the highlights of the room is stunning city view, simply breathtaking. Whether you are here for business or pleasure, the room amenities and the view you covered is beautiful and unforgettable. Now let's head down to the lobby where style and sophistication are waited for their guests. This is truly exceptional. Near attractions including the US Capitol Building and the National Law Enforcement Museum. This Washington D.C. hotel offers comfortable guest rooms with modern amenities as well as enjoyable facilities. Hyatt Regency Washington on Capitol Hill features guest rooms with iHome studios and spacious work areas. Guests can work out in state-of-art fitness center, then go for a swim in the indoor pool. Article 1 American Grill at the Hyatt Regency Washington on Capitol Hill serves creative dishes made with organic products. Guests will enjoy a casual menu for breakfast and lunch, while the upscale dinner menu features seafood, steak, and delicious side dishes. Room service is also available for private dining. The elegant decor and comfortable seating areas make this place perfect spot to relax. Whether you are meeting friends, colleagues, this lobby is sure to impress. Now let's head down to the lobby where style and sophistication awaits for us. Located in the heart of Capitol Hills, this hotel puts with walking distance to some of the DC's top attractions. From historic landmarks to trendy restaurants, there's always something to explore. Take a stroll around the neighborhood and discover the charm of Washington D.C. Well, that concludes the tour of Hyatt Regency Capitol Hill. I hope you enjoyed the glimpse into the luxury. If you are looking for a memorable stay in Washington D.C., look no further. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more travel vlogs.